Now the question is, if a periodic function fx satisfies the equation fx plus 1 plus fx minus 1 equals root 3 fx, and the period of this function is 4 lambda, we need to find lambda. Now there are two ways to solve this question. One way is to solve it rigorously, where we'll try and first eliminate this root 3 part, and then we'll somehow prove fx plus t equals fx. Now in this equation, what we'll do is we'll replace x with x plus 1. So we'll write fx plus 2 plus fx will be root 3 fx plus 1. And again, we'll replace x with x plus 1. So we get fx plus 3 plus fx plus 1 will be root 3 fx plus 2. Now here we'll put the value of fx plus 2 in this equation. So we can write fx plus 3 will be equal to root 3. And here will be this root 3 fx plus 1 minus fx minus fx plus 1. So it will be this fx plus 3, and this is 3fx plus 1 minus fx plus 1, which is 2fx plus 1 minus root 3 fx. Now it all makes sense because we have root 3 fx, which we can write fx plus 1 plus fx minus 1. So we can write fx plus 3 will be 2fx plus 1 and then minus fx plus 1 minus fx minus 1. So we'll get this as fx plus 3 will be equal to fx plus 1 minus fx minus 1. Now clearly we need fx, so we'll replace x with x plus 1. So it will be this fx plus 4. It is fx plus 2 minus fx. Now we'll try and cancel x plus 2 and x plus 4. So we can write fx plus 6. So here we'll replace x with x plus 2. It will be fx plus 4 minus fx plus 2. And if we add them, it'll cancel. This will also cancel. We'll get fx plus 6 equals minus fx. Now we have to make it plus fx. We'll replace x with x plus 6. You can write fx plus 12 will be equal to minus fx plus 6, and it's minus fx. So from here we can say fx plus 12 is equal to fx. So this function is periodic, and the period of this function is 12. So it says period is 4 lambda. So 4 lambda is equal to 12. That means value of lambda is 3. So answer to this question is value of lambda is 3. Now another way of solving this question can be by finding its characteristic root. So what we'll do is we'll write this functional equation fx plus 1 plus fx minus 1 equals root 3 fx as an plus 1 plus an minus 1 root 3 an for some fixed x. Now we can try this recurrence with the sequence an equals r to the power n. So it will be r to the power n plus 1 plus r to the power n minus 1, and this is root 3 r to the power n, or r square minus root 3r plus 1 equals 0, or r is root 3 plus minus iota by 2. So the characteristic roots are e to the power iota, pi by 6 plus or minus. So here this argument, it moves by pi by 6 per unit. So period of this function will be 2 pi divided by pi by 6, and which is 12. So again we can write 4 lambda equals 12 or value of lambda equals 3. So in this case, value of lambda is 3.